Hello, welcome. It's great to have you here. This video is about a free AI tool. The tool is called Scribe. It is a free Chrome extension. If you are not familiar with Scribe, you have probably never seen anything quite like it. Scribe's primary function is to create step-by-step guides. You will see shortly how you can use Scribe for web pages, emails, training, incentives, PDFs, and more. If you are a team builder, a trainer, a network marketer, a YouTuber, an online marketer, or an online business, you are about to see how this tool is going to make your job easier. Scribe already has over 300,000 users and it has an outstanding 4.9 out of 5.0 review rating. Let's see why everyone loves this software. The software auto-generates your content, so the software does the work and it does it approximately 15 times faster. It helps find answers approximately 67% faster, and boosts your overall productivity by 25%. What this simply means is that Scribe is going to allow you to share knowledge faster. The bottom line, it is going to save you time. And stay with me, because you are also going to see how it is going to make you money. All you have to do is click record. Then go through the process or the information that you want to share with others. When you hit record, and go through your training, questions, procedures, and so on, Scribe does not make a video recording, it keeps track of your steps, documenting the entire transaction. This can then be shared as a PDF or as a link. As a trainer, it is obvious how valuable Scribe can be. Let's say you are an affiliate marketer and for everyone that purchases your affiliate product, you include a free PDF about the product such as how to use it, how to set it up, how to get the most value, and so on. With Scribe, you can create your PDF with ease. Let's look at a brief example. If you watch this channel, you may know that one of Mr. P's favorite web hosts is Webador. Webador claims that you can set up your site in 10 minutes, and you can. With Scribe, Mr. P can open a window to Webador, go to Scribe, click on New. Choose the Webador page, hit record, go to the Webador page, and set up the site, and Scribe will document every step. When the setup is done, Scribe allows Mr. P to export the entire documented transaction as a PDF which Mr. P can give away. You can use Scribe for just about any kind of affiliate offer and guess whose offer is going to get chosen. If you apply the same strategy, it will be your offer. Again, Scribe is free and easy to use. Once you try it, you will be hooked. If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now, turn the like button black, thank you. And if this is the kind of content that interests you, consider subscribing, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you will be notified when new videos are uploaded. Allow me to wish you much success, we will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.